respected jury, CCE staff, teachers and dear friends. We the students of Government Degree College, Nirmal, humbly submit our gratitude to Honorable Commissioner Sir and all the staff of the Commissionerate for devising such an innovative program, Jignasa, for us. We are very much grateful to our principal, Dr. J. Bhimrao Sir and Mr. Ravi Kumar Sir, Head, Department of English, for his encouragement, and our mentor, Dr. Shankar Sir, for his constant cooperation in carrying out this project. Jignasa is a wonderful platform for the development of research tendency and to instill scientific temper among the young brains. This is Srija, BSc second year. This is Harshita, BA first year. This is Sonali, BA first year. This is Vishnu Sai Teja, BA first year. This is Rahul Verma, BA second year. Over to Harshita.
Thank you, Srija. Topic: the use of emojis in WhatsApp communication. A study on the ability to make communication easier, replace words and make our chats more colorful. Emoji. Noun. A small digital image used to express an emotion or idea on social media, on the internet, in electronic communication. Understanding the meaning behind emojis. Emojis are pictorial representations used in digital communication to express emotions, ideas and concepts. Each emoji has its own meaning, but the interpretation can vary depending on the context and the individuals involved in the conversation. Interpreting emojis in different contexts. The same emoji can be interpreted differently based on the tone, context, and the relationship between the sender and the recipient. For example, a smiling face emoji can indicate happiness, friendliness, or sarcasm depending on the situation. The uses of emojis. Emojis have become an integral part of digital communication, including platforms like WhatsApp. Emojis are graphical representation of emotions, objects and ideas used to enhance and convey in text-based conversations. Identity and social marking expresses intentions, guiding interpretations, the act of connecting between participants, acted to signal emotions, non-emotional meanings conventionally mapped onto facial expressions, building relationships. The use of emojis in business communication can help foster a positive and friendly atmosphere. They can create a sense of friendship, build rapport, and strengthen relationships with colleagues, friends, and family. Thank you. Over to Sonali.
Objective of this study is to become aware of significance of emojis, to familiarize ourselves toward the concept and uses of emojis, to identify the ability of the people in understanding the emojis, to summarize the ways and the means to enrich the messaging using the emojis, to access the role of emojis in the WhatsApp communication, to summarize the ways and means to enrich the messaging using the emojis, to access the role of emojis in WhatsApp communication. Hypothesis, social connection hypothesis. Emojis contribute to the development and maintenance of social connection among the WhatsApp users. Users who incorporate emojis in their messages will have more positive social interaction and a stronger sense of connection with their contacts. Methodology, we have survey method to collect data, sampling techniques, random stratified sampling. We have collected 50 screenshots from the WhatsApp user. Thank you. Over to Vishnu Sai Teja.
The impact of emojis on communication. Emojis have become an integral part of modern communication, particularly in platforms like WhatsApp. They have a significant impact on how emotions are conveyed, influencing tone, clarity, and engagement. Tone. Emojis have to convey emotions and tone that might be difficult to express through text alone. They add context and can help to prevent misinterpretation of messages. For example, a simple smiley face can indicate friendliness or humor. Clarity. Emojis can enhance clarity by providing visual cues. They can help to convey the intended meaning of our message, especially when words alone might be ambiguous. For instance, a thumbs up emoji can indicate agreement or approval. Engagement. Emojis can make communication more engaging and interactive. They add a layer of visual interest and can help to create a sense of connection between individuals. Emojis can also contribute to a more positive conversation. Thank you. Over to Rahul Verma.
Findings of the study. Emojis in phatic communication shape social connections by expressing meaning. Using emojis is a form of phatic communication. Sending emojis builds social capital and connectedness on platforms like WhatsApp. Users in this study were aware of the using emojis based on context and personalization. The findings offer an initial understanding of the complexity of phatic communication norms observed through the use of emojis as an important non-verbal cues. Conclusion. We communicate our messages in words or in non-verbal way in real life is accomplished by emojis with rather short text and can prevent misunderstandings. The majority of men and women, friends, family say that they can express emotions better through emojis than through words. Thank you.